everyone, good morning. Today I want to show us how to stake token on Bakeryswap exchange. And I hope we remember that to trade on Bakeryswap, you follow the same process that you followed while trading on pancakeswap and julswap exchange platform. So today I'll show us how to stake token on Bakeryswap. Do not forget that the first step to follow is to click on the ETH logo at the top right corner of your Trust Wallet app. Then you click on Smart Chain to switch the network to Binance Smart Chain network. Since we are staking, you click on the earning section. You click on earning. Then you take a scroll. There are several staking options. The first one is for Shield. The second one is for Shield. The third one is for WSOT, that's Soteria Finance Platform, for Dodge, Pet Food, etc. etc. So here we'll be staking WSOT token. The requirement to stake on Bakeryswap exchange is to have Bake token. Bake token is listed on pancakeswap as well as Bakeryswap exchange. You can buy from either of the two exchange platforms. If you want other trading platforms, you can check up the token on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. To stake Bake to earn Soteria token, you click on Select. Then you approve Bake. Yeah, do not forget to approve your transaction with your fingerprint, as I do say. You wait for the transaction to be completed. It depends on your network provider. Yeah, the transaction is done. So after that, you click on the plus sign and then you enter the amount of Bake token you are willing to stake to farm or to earn you Soteria Finance token. You enter the amount of Bake you are willing to stake and you confirm the transaction. As always, you use your fingerprint. Yeah, everything has been confirmed. The tokens are staked and daily you will earn Soteria token. The instruction below says that every time you stake and unstake LP tokens, the contract will automatically harvest Soteria rewards for you. This simply means that if you unstake your Bake tokens, you get Soteria token in your wallet as well as your Bake token. And the big advantage is that you can withdraw at any given time. You can end stake and harvest anytime you want. Thank you for your time. Until next time.